Every week, I see another headline saying, AI is replacing designers.
Honestly, I don't think AI is replacing designers. I think designers using AI are replacing designers who refuse to use it.
Before AI, one screen might take me 2 hours. Now, I can explore 5 different concepts in the same time.
Clients don't pay me because I click buttons in Figma. They pay me to solve problems, understand users, and make products people actually enjoy using.
The future belongs to designers who learn against it. Are you using AI in your design process yet? Let me know below.
Same designer, same skills, different tools. One struggles for hours, the other ships before lunch. AI didn't win the client. Preparation did. AI simply helped me prepare faster.